Hi friends, I want to show you my new mobile phone mounting bracket for outdoor activities like for a bicycle or for a motorcycle. It has this mounting part. As you can see, you can grab any kind of tube here. So bicycle, motorcycle, any place, even fixed places, not exactly moving ones, but any place where you want to have your phone, but have it really well fixed so it won't fail. Okay, this opens like this. The actual mount opens like this, so it fits almost all mobile phones, and they will be really protected. Okay, so let's try it. Okay, we'll go like this. Okay, we'll get in any tube like this. You see, like these instructions. This is the bike hand part, and that's how you can put your phone in the bike. Okay, perfect. Let's try it. It goes from 23 to 38 millimeters, from minimum to maximum, 23 to 38 millimeters. And as you can see, you can put it anywhere you need, a bike, a motorcycle, another kind of motorcycle, treadmill, baby carriage, whatever you need it, okay? Let's test it.